Check this out, guys. I don't know what kind of... Oh my gosh, ang bango-bango.
Is that lavender?
Yeah, I don't know. It smells so good.
Yeah.
Can you smell?
I smell it.
Oh, wow. I want to have a plant like this. We're hiring. Ooh, yum yum. My favorite here is pecan. And then, I don't know, strawberry.
Yes.
Cheesecake.
Thank you. I make it.
They don't have You guys don't have breakfast anymore?
Yeah, you want some?
Yeah.
Yes, come down at 1. So get your plate and you get some.
Okay. Uy, may breakfast na sila. So, yun. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends near and far. This is your Filipino-friendly Filipina carpentera na wala pang tulog, and time check is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are waiting. Wala akong tulog, guys, tapos nag-vlog ako kanina, kanta-kanta para akong mini. But anyway, so we are meeting our carpenter, and at lunch we're going to Tagalog, papakainin namin siya ng bato. Joke. Mag-lunch muna kami, and then we will go to the hardware store, tapos carpentera na naman. So we'll see you in a bit.
I don't want to see myself. You're not recording, are you? I hope you're not recording. Use a hedge trimmer.
So I got a chili,
Cut the
and then salad,
Guy work cut his legs.
and then
Did a hedge trimmer.
what do you call this one, Borg?
I'm pretty sure that's what he did.
It was
Bacon,
a hedge trimmer and not a saw.
and then a little bit of salad, and I don't
was
know,
stupid because I
soup,
couldn't reach something, so I comes with one hand,
and
and then I brought it
then
down
corn,
like that.
some eggs, and then
Always have to use two
that.
hands.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
Yeah, this is what I'm going to get, but I cannot, hindi pa ako makakain kasi yung asawa ko, cute! Umalis yun. So this was the restaurant that we ate, where we ate, and the person that you see there is our carpintero. And yeah, ito American restaurant kasi ito, so sila lang nag-e-enjoy, and the restaurant actually threw away my food because hindi ko kinain kasi hindi ko gusto yung nakuha ko. Pang Amerikano Bisaya lang tayo. Nothing really compares inununan. At saka sinigang at lechon at iba pa. But anyway, I had a great time spending with them. Tapos yun, balik na naman ako dito sa lavender plants, flowers or flowering plants. Ang ganda talaga, guys, and even if you're a little bit far away, naku, mas smell mo talaga yung alimuyak. Yan yung dalawa.